So you want to put on some good weight. This video assumes you are starting off skinny. If you aren't skinny or average weight, you need to look into losing weight first before putting on some good weight. The goal here is for this weight to be mostly muscle, not fat. So first thing first, you'll need to be lifting or body weight lifting regularly. I have a video on that for beginners at the top right. Open it up in a new tab and finish this video first before going to that one. I went from 138 pounds at 6'2" to 188 today of mostly muscle using this method. Gaining good weight is simple, but much more difficult than losing bad weight. First, you are aiming for a 500 calorie surplus a day. Over a week, that totals to 1 pound gained over the week, or almost half a kilogram. Make certain to check your weight weekly at the very least and write down your weight. It won't always go up due to water weight fluctuations, which can vary by around 10 pounds or 5 kilograms in total. So if you are 150 pounds in reality, it could show as 160 one day and 154 the next day, even though you didn't really lose any weight. So measure over a long period of time and look at the average trend. Don't go way overboard on calories, otherwise you will put on a bunch of fat, and don't go too far under or else you won't gain any weight. But really, we're shooting for approximate here. It doesn't have to be exactly 500 calorie surplus a day. Next, you want at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight you have per day, or 2 grams per kilo. This will be the hardest part because high protein foods aren't very common and they're usually either expensive or a pain to cook. Some foods I would recommend are cooked eggs, protein shakes, ground beef, and chicken. It's important that these foods you are eating can actually be digested. For instance, raw eggs look like they have really good stats and you can eat them really quick, but you can only digest about half the nutrients out of a raw egg, so they're pretty terrible. For both these things, I would recommend an app called Chronometer to track the foods you eat. It's usually pretty accurate and it's actually free. Between lifting and a 500 calorie surplus and a gram of protein per pound, you will put on muscle at a fast rate. No need to overcomplicate this, so I'll leave it there. Like and subscribe or else my goblin will steal one of your kidneys.